Assalamu alaikum, this is MD Nuruddin Islam and welcome back to another brand new video. Oppo finally launched a brand new smartphone in their A series, which is Oppo A3 Pro. In mid-budget, this smartphone has attractive design, powerful chipset and also so many things. In this video, I will review the whole smartphone. After watching the video, you will be able to take a decision this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. First of all, if I would like to talk about the design of this smartphone, then you can see the design of this smartphone is so much incredible because Oppo literally so much popular for their design. That is why the design of this smartphone is so much beautiful. And also the back panel of this smartphone made by glass and plastic. And thickness of this smartphone is 7.9 mm. As well as the weight of this smartphone is 177 gram. You will find dual camera setup at the rear panel, as well as you will find a punch hole cutout camera setup at the front panel. You can purchase this smartphone by 3 colors. First one is blue, then second one is pink, and third one is mint. So the design of this smartphone was so much gorgeous to me. What do you think about the design of this smartphone? You can inform me in comment box. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone, the smartphone has 6.7 inches Full HD Plus resolutions AMOLED panel, which is 120 Hz higher refresh rate display. For the higher refresh rate, whenever you will play some kind of games by the smartphone, the time you will get a smooth experience from the display. As well as the display has 950 nits peak brightness. For the higher peak brightness, whenever you will use this smartphone in the darkness as well as sunlight, the time you cannot face any kind of problem for the brightness. In this budget range, the display quality of this smartphone is decent to me. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone, then before starting the video, I was mentioned that the smartphone has dual camera setup in the rear panel. First one is 64 megapixel and then second one is 2 megapixel. And you can make a video with 4K resolution by the camera, but you cannot see any kind of ultra sensor here. I am really glad to see 64 megapixel sensor, but I am really upset to see that there is no any kind of ultra sensor. In this budget range, this smartphone should have to support ultra-wide sensor. As well as the front panel of this smartphone has 8 megapixel selfie camera. By the selfie camera, you can make a video with Full HD Plus resolution, but you cannot make a video with 4K resolution. Right now, if I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone, the smartphone has ColorOS 14 based on Android 14. As a chipset, Oppo used here MediaTek Dimensity 7050, which is so much powerful chipset. For the powerful chipset, you can get a great performance from the gaming sector. As well as the smartphone has 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, as well as 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. You can use here only 2 SIM cards, but you cannot use here any kind of micro SD card slot. Last part of this smartphone, which is battery. As a battery, Oppo used here 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. And for charge the battery, you will find 6 to 7 watt fast charger. And Oppo mentioned that you can charge your phone by the charger 1% to 56% within 20 minutes, which is very much interesting. And also you will find under display fingerprint here. As a feature, you will find NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and everything, but you cannot find any kind of 3.5mm audio jack. So that was our today's video. If you have benefit from the video, then you can like the video. Or if you have any kind of question, then you can inform me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.